Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am sitting literally right outside the Dollar Tree door. I just came out and I do have a few things I want to share with you guys. You guys, they have already started back with the, they put the Easter stuff out and the spring stuff, but they have started putting back out all of the fairy garden products. Oh my goodness, I'll show you guys that in a minute, but first I'm just going to start off with some stuff that I got sitting right here because I pulled some of the stuff out of the bag. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because there's more videos to come, but let me show you guys what I picked up. So I did grab these and I picked up two of the blue because the blue smells good. I love Clorox Bleach. I always talk about Clorox, so any Clorox products, I love it. And this is 10.75 ounces and it looks like that. And so I got two of the blue. They smell so good. They did have a pink one too, like a floral, but I'm not really big on florals fragrances, so I didn't get. And then I picked up this Pine Sol, and this one says it makes over 5 gallons, so you can dilute this in some water, like if you're mopping or whatever, pour it in there and then dilute it with the water, so you're getting more out of this than what you actually see. And this is 10 fluid ounces as well, so I picked those up. They had some matching wipes to go like with this one, and it's only 17 in here, but I wanted to get them to try them out just to even see if I was gonna like those, so I did pick those up. You see this? I showed this Dove candy bar on Instagram and I said I was not going to get it. It's milk chocolate and peanut butter and it's a Dove egg. And I said I wasn't going to get it, and here I am walking out this store with a Dove egg that I don't need, but I'm going to eat it. So my, that man was looking in here. I don't know if he's, there he goes. So you seen him? So I know my purpose in going in here, that's what I was saying, was to go get these. And these are the garden dishes, and they had these last year. I don't know if they was there the year before, but they had these last year, and it's just a plastic bowl. And my 99-cent store haul, I had got the real succulents that my lazy butt still hasn't repotted yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repot one in here. The two clear bowls that I got from 99-cent store, I'm going to use the two smaller bowls, and then I'm going to repot the other two in the bigger bowls just for where I want to sit them at. And I also went there to get this, which is, and I'm not going to take it out because I don't want it to make a mess. It's just some potting soil. It's just a big bag of potting soil, all purpose, that Dollar Tree carries. So my purpose in going in here today was for these two bowls and some potting soil so I can go home and repot those succulents today. I ended up getting two of these as well, which is some sand. And I love purple, so I was thinking once I repot the succulents in here, I was in the grocery store the other day and I seen some succulents, and the arrangement that they had was really pretty. They had the succulents in the clear bowls with the dirt. You could see the dirt at the bottom, and then they had put some red rocks on top. I guess like for Valentine's Day they sprinkled the red like sand or rocks on it. And so when I seen the purple sand in Dollar Tree, I was thinking, oh, I can do the same thing, but instead of the red rocks, I'm going to sprinkle mine with purple. I will be doing that later today, so if you want to see those, follow me on Instagram because I'll put the picture of the succulents on Instagram after I do it. Okay, then I grabbed this, which is the Spring Fresh Final Touch brand. I really like these. I like these a lot, and the reason why I get this one is because it says they're jumbo. Where does it say that? Right here. It says jumbo sheets, and it smells really good. It's 25 plus 10, so you're getting 35 jumbo sheets in here for $1, and I thought that was good. They also had more of the fab, so I did get two of these, and it's 40 fluid ounces because it says 25 plus 15 bonus ounces, and that's a good deal. That's a good deal for $1. I love using my Tide, but sometimes my kids, they wash their clothes and they run through my Tide. So I have to hide the Tide, and sometimes I have to leave that stuff out because they're washing. Sometimes I'll go in there and they'll have like 3 shirts 3 white shirts in the washing machine, and I'm sure they done poured a whole cap full of Tide in there. And no matter how much I say don't do that, they're still doing it. So my Tide just disappears. So I always pick up like stuff like that just to have for my kids to use. Okay, before I get into the garden stuff, I did get these little ladies, it say ladies slippers, and I picked up multiples of these because if I'm not wearing them, my daughter can wear them. And I was like, why not get these super cute house shoes? The bottoms are black with the little bumpy things on the bottom, and they're really soft on the inside, and I love the little stars. What else did I pick up? I got the stars, I got the zebra like stripes, super cute. I got the cheetah print. I'm telling you, I was just thinking like, let me get these now. The cheetah print with the black bottoms. And then is this the last one? The last one I thought was super cute. Yes, the last one, which was this one that looks like cow spots, and on the side it says moo, and it looks like a little cow's body, like he's hanging. I wish they would have put a head on there, but they didn't, and it looks like a little cow body, but it says moo. And I just thought these were adorable to have for $1. And then I also picked her up, my daughter, some socks, and these are the 3-packs, and these are kind of thin, but they work for her. I think they're kind of cute. And this one has the hearts, and then you get an all black pair, and then you get the pink stripes, and that's 3 pairs for $1. And then I did pick up this pair for her too, and it's those, I like those stripes on that one. Then you get the gray solid, and then the last one looks like that. So now that I showed you guys all that, let me show you what I got for the fairy garden stuff. Okay, so they put out some new mushrooms that I have not seen in Dollar Tree before, and I seen them and I said I have to have them. They are adorable, and they are kind of heavy, so you have to, and they sound like that. And look at the tops of these, really pretty, and I just had to get them. So this one looks like that, but then I did pick up another one, and if you can see how this one has the red specks in it. Is it specks? Yeah. And then this one is more like gold. It's like a gold or a yellow and a brown. These are so pretty. I love the glaze. When I was in high school, I used to be in ceramics, and I used to love making stuff like this and then putting the glaze on it and just putting them in the oven and letting them cure. I love this type of stuff. So I did get those 2 red, and I did, however, pick up 2 of the green. So this is what I got. 2 greens, that red one, and then this one that looks kind of orangish, right? I mean, yellow right here. And before I jump into the other bag, I did get another scarf. They had some new scarves out, and I thought this floral pattern was absolutely beautiful. Look at those flowers, because they're not your normal flower that you would see, and I just thought the colors were pretty. I thought this was so pretty. I'm thinking I should have picked up 2. I should have picked up 2. I might go back and get another one since I'm sitting right outside the store. I could run in and get a second one. But I really like that one. And then the last bag that I have with the other fairy stuff in it now, like I mentioned, I did my fairy garden last year, and I did the 3-tier fairy garden. This year, I'm not going to do that again. I just wanted to keep these. Eventually in the future, what I'm thinking about doing is making this whole area outside the house with fairy garden stuff. I'm really trying to think about this because I'm trying to plan it out and figure out how I'm going to do it. So basically all of this stuff that I got is going to go in storage until I can figure out what I really want to do with them, along with the other ones that I made the fairy garden with from the last time. Once I broke that down and I took it down, I put all those pieces away. So I'm holding those as well. So these will just go into my collection of fairy garden stuff, because these things at Michael's are like $12.99, sometimes $8.99. They're expensive. So I got this little house. This one is super cute, and they're all different than the ones that I had got last year. This one looks like a little tree house, really cute. Now these ones are kind of like a I don't know what they are. They just feel like a hard plastic, but they're kind of heavy. So I like those two. I got those two houses. They had another mushroom house. Super cute. I like the way it's slanted like that. Super cute. And then here's another one. Adorable. You guys, these things are, they can be costly. So then they had the little sets. What else is in here? Oh, before I go into that, I did pick up another salt grinder, the sea salt with the grinder on the top. I was trying to see what else was down in this bag. And then I just picked up some of the figurines to go with my collection. And they are different than the ones from last year as well. So you have this one. Look at the little owl in the middle. I love the snail. The snails, they are so cute. Definitely different. And then you have these little gnomes. Trying to make sure you guys can see them without the glare. So you have those gnomes. Then you have these flower pots and a little like this is like a little bird dish or whatever, like a bird bath. Cute. Here's some fairy girls. This one is a faucet with a bird on it. Now, I remember having this one from last year, but I think the colors are different. Then you got the little mushrooms and the little flower. And I didn't realize it, but I accidentally picked up 2 of those. So, which is fine, because I'm sure I'll use it somewhere whenever I get this in order for me to make it. So, it's kind of loud out here. All the cars is going by. So that is it for you guys for today's Dollar Tree haul, you guys. I'm still looking for one item that I cannot find. My stores have not gotten it. But when I find it, I will let you guys know that's what I was hunting. I normally don't speak about what I'm looking for on camera because I don't want you guys, some of you guys will start trying to mail it to me, and I don't want you guys to mail me anything, especially if it's just coming from the Dollar Tree. I can just wait until I can find it. I'm patient. So, but I do appreciate all of you guys for always thinking about me. So that is it for this video. I'm going to actually run back in here, get another one of those floral scarves, and then I'm going to head home. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're new to my channel and you want to subscribe, I'd love for you to, and for you to stick around. And I will talk. I don't know if I have any pictures. I don't know if I have pictures. If I do, they'll come up right now. If not, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.